Okay, so this is part 5, and this is Morgan again. Damn.
Dad, you should go.
I told you guys, he snores hella loud. Look at him, he's like a monster.
Which I don't appreciate you calling him a monster. He does not like that.
See his face.
Gotta hold up to the camera this time until he wakes up.
Check it up the nostrils, it clogged.
Maybe that's why he's going.
There's his mouth. I don't want to hit him with the Oh, it's upside down. It's going to be upside down.
It went dead.
No, it didn't. What did? It's still on.
Oh, I can't. Oh, he just said cool.
Who? Morgan?
No.
Oh.
Oh. Just started how he was doing it. He said cool.
He's fucking like Chris. Shut up, Morgan's nostril. Look at his teeth. I see them.
Where's his teeth?
Right there. Okay, Morgan's really bored. Oh! Whoop!
Whoop, whoop.
Look at his neck. Watch his neck go. When he snores, he'd be sucking at his neck. Be like, okay, he's really bored now. Okay, bye-bye.